Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Well, we're gonna start off the week with actually the whole month. We're gonna start off by actually checking some charts as usual. So let's go over to dollar index to see what's going on. I'm gonna be looking for the 1 hour chart mainly, and I did upload my weekly sentiment for euro, the pound, and gold as well. You can check it out in the main videos. But for now, let's check the dollar index. Dollar index looking to get stronger a bit, which means if I want to put it to on the Fib tool, the equilibrium level should be right there, which means we can look for a potential turning point in forex pairs. Let's check over to pound. All right, so pound is looking to close down this fair value gap. No. Oh yeah, we need a border. All right. Okay. All right. So this fair value gap right here. FVG light. We're gonna save it as that. So it should be closing down this fair value gap here. As for the euro, almost the same scenario on the hourly. Equilibrium is right here. On our equilibrium. Okay, let's just leave it at that. Okay, we can put it to the pound as well. From this price swing to there, on our equilibrium right there. Should be fine. And let's see what's happening on gold. Nothing really. Gold made a minor structure break. Maybe here. Repriced this fair value gap here. Wonder if it's going to be enough for gold to continue higher. Let's see the previous swing low. That was a Sunday low actually. So this is a Sunday low. I think it should take it out before it continues to drive up. Just as well on pound and euro, they're approaching an imbalance right here. Could be interesting. Could be interesting. level should be taking out Sunday's low, and then basically on the 15-minute and on the 5-minute there is no imbalance to reprice. The next available imbalance is down at 1909. Wonder if it's going to be enough or not. So far euro dollar is heading to the 1 hour equilibrium level, which is also inside this 5-minute slash 15-minute fair value gap. So oops, squeaking noise. So I'm looking for a possible long entry, otherwise nothing else. And silver bullet is coming in. Let me check my notes. 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. Silver bullet 3 a.m. to 4 a.m. should be coming in the next hour. Yeah, Asian session was right there. Okay, gold took out Sunday low. Not much to do here. Let's see if we have any news this morning. Not really. No news. No news. So we're just waiting. Okay. That's the scenario. We're just waiting for a possible turnaround. And we'll be also waiting for a possible silver bullet in the next hour. So that's it. That's what we're aiming for. By the way, I'm just telling you guys that I'm gonna have to shut down the stream in just before 4 a.m. New York time, because I have an appointment to go to. So I'm gonna be here for another 1.5 hours maybe, but then I have to go. But I think we still have the time for the for the silver bullet, so let's just wait for that. Let's see, do I have a paper trading account? Yes. Yeah, let's reset that. Let's reset the paper trading account for 100K. All right. All right, so far that's all we see. Nothing extra. My strategy is clear. I uploaded the video into the main videos. You should check it out. And for this month, it's a new month, I'm definitely willing to take much less trades. Exception for the silver bullet. I'm going to be implementing the silver bullet in a different layer of strategy, but otherwise I'm not taking any trades on the 1 minute chart. I'm going to be focusing on a 5/15 minute chart. I will be only testing, quote unquote testing, or implementing the silver bullet strategy on the 1 minute chart. That's all. Nothing extra. And by the way, guys, if you can, please drop a like. Let me check my speakers.
Speakers.
All right, working. So for now, this is all we're looking for. Basically, nothing is happening. So let's just wait and see, guys. Looking for long opportunities. So this is my bias. Currently, this is only my current bias. That's what I'm looking for. Otherwise, this can change. You know, we're adopting. You know, we are adopting. And so we'll see. But the only trade I'm taking will be, I mean, on the 1 minute is going to be only on the silver bullet strategy. Otherwise, we're sticking to the 5/15 minute chart. All right. So guys, if you can, please drop a like. Thank you so much. Quick phone call, guys. Alright guys, I'm here. Nothing happened basically. I'm still waiting for the euro. This is my bias. I'm waiting for a possible long setup, both on euro, gold, and pound as well. We have a 1 hour equilibrium level down there. Same on euro. So let's wait. It's a waiting game, guys. If you expect some super action stuff or whatever, it's not gonna happen. I went over my trading journal and tried to analyze my losses, and I think many of my losses occurred because of streaming, not because of you guys, of course, because I love you guys and everything, but because of my own ego. The losses came because of ego. I wanted to show off that I can take as many trades that I like. I was forcing setups. I went through a lot of setups and trade history, and seems like the main reason that I messed up June is because of the stream. That I wanted to take trades on stream, but from this day I'm willing to sit out without any trade. I mean, a stream without any kind of trade. I'm not going to force anything. So we're going to stay focused and disciplined. I'm only taking trades on the 1 minute chart, only on the silver bullet, and that's going to be a small position because I'm putting that in an extra layer of strategy into my focus. Otherwise, I'm leaving the 1 minute chart as it is. I'm staying with the 5 and 15 minute because my best entries and results came from the 5 and 15 minute trades. So I'm going to be focusing on that. So I'm not saying no more 1 minute, but I'm going to put down the 1 minute chart for a bit of time. Exception for the silver bullet, 1 hour time frame or zone, sorry. Nothing else. So hopefully I'm gonna be taking much less trades this month. Of course, there's still gonna be days, I think, when I take 2 or 3 trades in a row. Although, in the other hand, there might be days when I'm not gonna be taking any trade at all, or sessions, if I'm sticking on the 5 minutes. Sorry guys, just a phone call again. It was actually one of my members. I do have a private membership here in my country, and he was trading as well and was asking for a setup. By the way, I'm not taking any setup on the 1 minute, just saying. I'm gonna be waiting for a nice 5/15 minute entry, and the euro and the pound is almost at the 1 hour equilibrium, which is the 1 hour swing. If you check the hourly swing right here, from here to here, equilibrium is right there inside this fair value gap. Also euro dollar as well, from this swing low to the swing high, equilibrium is right here. Let's see what it does. Also gold. So the silver bullet time zone is going to be starting in 20 minutes. That's going to be interesting. All right, I'll be right back. Hello, 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 hello. Oh, it's Sarvesh. Nice to see you, bro. How you doing? How you doing? I'm sorry I wasn't here, but you know, technically there's nothing going on in the markets. Pound spiked a little bit higher, but who cares, you know? No setup for us. So, Sarvesh, last week was a complete disaster? Well, last month was a complete disaster for me, bro. So, I gave back all my profits to the market by the end of the month. So, basically, I ended up around break even. The whole month was, well, I was up. It was starting good, and then I went to drawdown, and then I went back to profit again. So it was a disaster. But you know, if it helps, I can tell you that at least quite a few traders who I know, and they're using the same concepts from Smart Money Concept, you know, or ICT, whatever you want to call it. They were having a tough week last week, actually a tough month altogether. So it was a tricky one, definitely. We had better month this year. So it was a tricky one for everyone, Sarvish. Don't worry about it. Don't nag yourself too much about it. The only thing we can do, or we should do, is just, you know, if we're having a losing streak, just leave the trading desk. And by the way, I will start to do something extra on my YouTube channel, because I think it is needed, and it's close correlation with trading, which is health. And I'm gonna be putting up a new playlist to my YouTube, which is going to be highly correlated with health, which means like, so I'm gonna be doing a little bit of a vlog videos as well. I want to prove to myself and to you guys as well, as a kind of a journal, that you need to stay healthy. I'm not saying that from this morning or tomorrow morning we're going to be changing 100%, and you know, but you know, more. For example, I'm going to start walking more, and then maybe running. I might be going to hit the gym as well. Trying to eat more healthy food, and basically physical exercise, which I think I have to do more, because I do have quite a few kilograms of extra weight, so I need to lose that, or at least if I cannot lose that all, I think some exercise or gym would be great to get that extra weight in shape. At least I would look somehow. So I'm definitely going to hit the gym, I think, or at least start by, you know, doing some cardio, maybe riding a bike or running, or first of all, I think I'm gonna take big walks. I'm gonna journal that. You know, it's a journey. You have to enjoy the journey. And by the way, the Silver Bullet session is starting in 7 minutes. We're gonna do the Silver Bullet on Euro, I think. So, yeah, physical exercise, health, it's very important, it's crucial. It's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be awesome. Have to do some exercise. So I'm not going to look for Silver Bullet on 3 instruments. I'm only going to be looking for a Silver Bullet on Euro. In the next hour, only in the next hour. But as you can see, the range is not too big. So we can take a trade in 6 minutes at the earliest. Okay, and that's going to be the only time period when we're gonna drop down to the 1 minute. Otherwise, we're sticking to the 5/15 minute chart. That's all. Actually, we can start to analyze the chart on the 1 minute, getting ready for silver bullet time. Do we have any news? Let's refresh it. No major news. Okay, Spanish manufacturing PMI. Could be interesting, could be interesting. This one might give us enough volatility for the euro dollar. And these as well, not sure. Canadian bank holiday doesn't really concerns us. All right. Let's refresh the sentiment. More people are short on euro and pound. Let's check gold. Gold is neutral, most likely. Okay. So let's just check the 1 minute on the euro. Getting ready for silver bullet, right? No fair value gaps so far. And because there's basically no fair value gap left here, I think the best bet for draw on liquidity will be the hourly, the 1 hour equilibrium, which means that this is the midpoint of the hourly swing. So I think that could be a very good target for draw on liquidity. It swept buy side here, and you know, if we look overall on the 1 hour, this swing, this hourly swing from down here to up here, then I think we can agree that we are in premium. So because we are in premium, price is seeking discount levels. And if we're looking for that silver bullet entry, my best bet would be the nearest target would be, which I pointed out here, the 1 hour equilibrium level. So if we're taking this silver bullet, if it gives us a displacement, that would mean that we made the liquidity sweep right there. Now we need a displacement, for example, to below this candle. Or actually, let's check this out. This candle has a low. Okay, now we're getting a displacement. And we have a small order block as well. So I'm definitely bearish with the silver bullet. Still 10 seconds. Okay, now this could be interesting. Let's check it here. All right. So liquidity sweep, bearish order block. My entry model is with the fair value gap, so that's what I'm looking for. If it leaves, it's not going to leave. If it would have left a fair value gap, then I would be considering to enter. For now, this is the only fair value gap we have. I need 5 pips of range. And this is going to be my entry right there. What the hell? All right, doesn't matter. Okay, seems like we're scrapping this trade right now. All right. Equilibrium level is still down there. So let's look for that silver bullet. My only problem is that it took out this sell side liquidity here. And so this fair value gap here, so market open took out this fair value gap here, is not that high probability anymore. I mean, we did have a liquidity sweep, but it didn't really return into that area. So it's from now on, this fair value gap is a low probability setup. Although, as I was mentioning, this target area, the 1 hour equilibrium level, is, you know, it's quite significant. It can still drop down. If it drops down to this equilibrium level, then we're going to be considering a possible turn in the trend. So we're going to be looking for that. All right. Otherwise, nothing. Let's check pound. Nothing really happened here on pound. Okay, just looking at pound, if we see some similarity, but the silver bullet is definitely okay. So for now, it looks like it wants to take it out. I'm not jumping into any short so far. We're just waiting. No entry on the 5 minute, by the way, just saying. Nowhere. So let's drop down and search for that silver bullet entry. All right. Now, if we consider that as the potential draw on liquidity, we can still enter a short trade right here. Let me just show you. There is a fair value gap right here. So, you know, if we want to enter here, you can put it right there as a pending order inside that fair value gap. Which is quite alright, but let me check the hourly swing. Hold on. Let me check the hourly swing. This was the swing low, the swing high. So the target would be right there. Let's check it on the... Why is it not showing? All right. Okay, so as you can see, it's approaching that 50% level. The only possible entry would have been if it retraces into this fair value gap, which is 5 points, 5 pips, and we would have a 1-to-1 range. But for now, it doesn't seem like it wants to retrace there. Okay, so it took out equilibrium. They're scrapping the trade. Okay. So now, I mean, look at that. It's perfectly touched the 50% level. We'll see if it wants to turn around. Pound also looking to get lower into equilibrium, which is right down there. Now, maybe pound is the one which can give us a possible entry, by the way, in a silver bullet entry. Let's check it on the 1 minute. Let's check it. Let me put the fib here. All right. Here's the fair value gap. 16, we have 5. Yeah, we can target that area right there. If it retraces back up there, of course. Let's check from here. 10 points, 10 to, okay, we have the range. And it's a safe range because if it wants to go higher than that, you know. All right, so that's the silver bullet entry on pound. And we're in. Oh, no problem, Sarvish. No problem, Sarvish. Absolutely no problem. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I was just saying that don't worry about last week or last month, Sarvish. I know many traders were having issues. It was crazy, actually. So don't worry about it. So this is a pound possible silver bullet. Only looking for a 1-to-1. We have a range. The target is the equilibrium level of the hourly swing as a draw on liquidity. and this is the euro. Euro actually looks a little bit better. I also left this range for pound right here, this fair value gap as well. That's why I widened the stop loss. You know, it can go up or it can go down. maybe it will go down or it will go up. But one thing is for sure, it's gonna be one of those scenarios, up or down. I chose the wrong side, but actually the reason why I put my stop here is because if it wants to trade above this gap, actually the higher one, which is right here, because there's one gap over there as well, then, you know, the trade is off. So then we're just gonna cut the trade with a smaller loss. It's a 0.5% position. And we're just gonna cut it. But the 50% equilibrium, so this is my thought process. I'm overall bullish on pound, but this is the 1 hour equilibrium. If we took this swing low to this swing high, then we have this 1 hour equilibrium just around the mid threshold of this fair value gap. So that was my thought process in terms of the silver bullet entry. And this is the only time I'm taking trades on the 1 minute chart. Because I think the draw on liquidity should be down here at this 50% level. Somewhere down here. So that's my thought process. Actually, I will be looking for the risk reward a little bit higher. I will be looking for it to reprice this whole range. Maybe not the whole range, but if we're in it, at least let's make some decent profit, right? So that's 11.6 pips. Trading. I just put an alert here just to remind me to take some partials. This has been taken manually, not by the EA. But this is a silver bullet trade for now. Looking for a 1 to 2. But I'm looking to take partials before we reach equilibrium. That's all. All right. So if this fair value gap is not going to hold both of these, then maybe, you know, I'm just gonna close it before it reaches stop loss. We'll see. It only depends if we are on side or offside. On the hourly PD array, we are in premium. So we should be seeking more discount levels. I don't know. As I was saying in the beginning of the stream, this is an extra layer of confluence. I mean, not confluence, strategy, which I try to implement. And this is, you know, what I see for now. On the euro, there is nothing. The euro is already at the 50% level of the hourly price swing, so first TP is around 26.69 on this one, and this will be a silver bullet. There. There. Basically, the question is very simple. It all depends if you are on side or offside in this time period. If you are on side, then these targets should be 90% or 80% at least accurate. So at least it should go to the 1-to-1 range. If we are offside, then it will definitely trade above these fair value gaps, and if it does, then basically I messed up, so that's it. On the euro, so far, well, it could be making a structure shift. It's not really a structure shift yet on the euro, so we just wait. Let's look at pound over here. Tough call, to be honest. So that's that white line is the 1 hour 50%, the 1 hour swing mid threshold, which is equilibrium or whatever you want to call it, mid threshold, equilibrium, whatever. We had some FVGs in here and up here as well, right here. I did not wait. I entered here on this one because it still gives me a 1-to-1 range if I put my stop here. Oops. So that's it for now. Still waiting. Still waiting. Please, guys, drop a like to the stream if you can support the stream. Thank you so much for the likes. Thank you, thank you. Let's check euro. Euro passed through the hourly swing, but still has a lot to go down there if it wants to reprice this imbalance. So that's good news for the pound. Let's check for the pound. So as for now, that's what I'm looking for. So I know we don't have to. Oh yeah, this will be TP1. Let me check. Yeah, should be all right. Anyway, the target should be all right. Euro looks like it still wants to drop. I wasn't even checking on gold because right now I'm focusing on this silver bullet trade. Which is around break even still. All right. So far, nothing extra. Still waiting. Euro could be dropping as well. Let's look at gold. Yeah, gold is not doing anything extra. Now, right now we are focusing on the pound trade where I took the silver bullet entry. So let's just wait. That's TP1 for me. 2669. 2669 is TP1. Hopefully we will get there. I have an EA to close partials, by the way. But I might be doing it manually. I know I have an EA. Runwise FX, where is it? Am I gonna have to do it manually? What the hell? I didn't set up my EA to take partials, so I should do it though. I still have time. Yeah, let's set it up. All right. Close 65% of the trade at that level, and should put it to break even if it gets down there. All right. Okay, so this should be taking partial at 26.68.5 because it counts in the commission as well. So let's see if it does the job or not. All right. It should do the job. If not, then, you know, we'll see. Or it can turn around, you know. Technically, what it's doing now is it's actually doing a reversal. It swept some liquidity right here. So might have to close the trade manually. Swept liquidity. Now is doing a structure break on the 1 minute, unfortunately for us. And you know, if this candle closes here, I might have to consider to close down the trade, or at least to put it to break even. Not good. I don't like it. I don't like what it does now. Still, the 50% equilibrium level is down there, so who knows? Who knows? For now, it's definitely looks like it wants to. Maybe I should just put it to break even, you know, just at least to 15-minute 200 EMA rejected. Wow. Well, you know, we'll see how it goes. The good news is that it closed down this imbalance, so technically it's not a valid long opportunity for the 2022 entry model, which is good for our short if it wants to go lower. So that's a good thing that it closed it down, but I have no idea what it wants to do. And by the way, guys, in about 20 minutes, I have to leave the stream and do some stuff. It's going to take me about 15 minutes or 20 minutes. What I can... Naga, hey there, Naga. Thank you so much for being here. I love the regulars. So I have to leave the stream in about 15 or 20 minutes for another 15 or 20 minutes. So I'm still wondering what I should do. Should I just leave the stream open until I get back, and the EA will take care of this trade if it wants to hover around here? Or should I just cut the stream? I don't know, because I have some IRL stuff to do. I guess we'll see. Oh, I love this. I've downloaded billions. Huh. Season 6. Cool. Billion season 6. Haven't seen it. Gold. I'm only looking on gold on the 5 minute, and I see no entry. You can also check out Naga. My no trade as of yet. The only trade I took is the short here on pound. And Naga, if you want to check my weekly bias out, I will upload more. I uploaded one weekly bias video yesterday on Sunday, what I do think in the long term for the week on gold as well. On gold, for now I'm bullish, but only because on the 4 hour it made a nice structure shift. So I'm looking for some more bullishness on gold. But anyway, I don't see any entries on the 5 minute, not for me at least. So I would be waiting on gold. I'm not trading on the 1 minute on gold. I'm taking only silver bullets from now on for quite some time, because I lost a lot of profits on the 1 minute chart last month, and so I think 1 minute for me become dangerous. Otherwise, I don't see anything on gold. Nothing. The only thing I entered is a pound short silver bullet. So let's see if it's gonna reach TP1, because then the EA should close partial, and you know, put the trade to break even. But so far it's having a struggle getting there. Yeah, the 1 minute is, I'm not saying it's undoable, but it definitely requires some extra mental skill, and I just found it difficult. All right, there you go. The EA, wow, this was very nice. This was very, very, very nice trade. All right, the EA did its job and closed down trade. I mean, partial profit has been taken, and it has put it to break even. I'm just gonna put some extra here to cover commission. Okay, right now the commission is being covered. So there you go. It's 100, and yes, DC Trading. So good to see you here, DC Trading. Applause for you as well, my friend. Thank you very much for being here. Happy to hear you giving the M1 break for a while to see how you... Yes, definitely. I'm giving a break for the... I'm only trading the M1 for the silver bullet. And this one here, I can say that this silver bullet trade so far managed to be quite alright. So this trade was nothing. It was basically a dollar Swiss from last week's. Never mind that, because it has some swap and commission. Otherwise, this trade was quite alright. The pound dollar, 65% closed by the EA. I'm very happy about this. So this trade is a free trade from now on. It's a free trade. TP2 is down at 26.56.8 if we reach there. That's my TP2. I did not have a silver bullet entry on euro. This is euro. Yes, exactly. That's what I'm doing now. I'm also testing it, you know. It's kind of a test for me as well. We still have time. We have 25 minutes. So for example, if euro, which is this one, if euro wants to turn around, make a displacement, there is still a good long opportunity. Otherwise, for shorts, there's still a range to drop further down, as you can see. I'm not taking more entries in the silver bullet hour. Only this trade which I took on the pound. This is the only one for me. So this was the only one for me as a silver bullet. I'm gonna be journaling this, but for now, that's it. Let's look at the 5 minute, you know? Nothing on the 5 minute on euro and nothing on gold. Honestly, guys, I'm not even taking more trades in this London session, to be honest, because there's just nothing to take. Okay, no more silver bullets on the 5 minute. I don't think we're gonna have any kind of entry. Maybe the euro will give us something, or maybe the pound, I don't know. For now, I'm just waiting for pound to drop more to reach TP2. Otherwise, nothing. So guys, I'm going to leave the stream for about 20 to 25 minutes. Should I leave the stream open? Maybe if we'll see a 5 minute entry somewhere during the London kill zone, or should I close it? Should I close it? What should I do? I'm not really planning to force into anything, so I might as well just call it a session and come back to the New York session, because let's face it, we have only 1 hour left from London kill zone after this one, so maybe we will have an entry on euro, I don't know. I'm only looking on the 15 and the 5 minute from now on. Anyways, you know guys, I'm gonna leave it, but I'll be AFK, so be right back in about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, if you guys want to stay and chill, you're welcome. I'm gonna leave this window open. Hopefully we'll reach TP2, and you know, so far that's it. Maybe we will have a 5 minute entry later on, I don't know. All right, I'll be back, as the Terminator would say. Stay chill. I'll be back in about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, cheers. All right, I'm back. Oh, almost reached TP2. Almost reached TP2. I had some stuff to do, but I'm back. And look at that. Euro spiked lower as well, just as we expected. And look at gold. Wow. Yeah. So, good morning, KRK Trading. If you're still here, thank you so much for sticking around, guys. Huge applause to everyone. We're still in the London kill zone. The GBP silver bullet trade turned out actually a winner, so that's a good thing. Please do subscribe and like the stream. If you can drop a like, I would really appreciate it. So anyway, this is the 5-minute euro, the 5-minute pound, and the 5-minute gold. No. I'm doing okay. Köszönöm. Jó vagyok. I'm doing alright. Although, I must say, last month was the second worst since last November. Last year, November was my worst month. I ended up in a huge minus. And June, well, gave back all my little bit of profits, so ended up a little bit below break even, but it is what it is, you know. It is what it is. Okay, pound spiking higher. It might going to take us out. Originally, it should have been a 1-2 risk reward, but for now, I think it might gonna spike back up. We're gonna leave that trade open for now. Hey, don't worry about Sarvish, don't worry about I was getting everything wrong last month. I mean almost everything wrong. So anyway, we're gonna leave it at that. The euro could be still going lower a little bit to reprice this range. And gold, look at that. Gold might be aiming for, let's go to the hourly gold. Gold might be aiming for repricing this fair value gap right there. Let me this fair value gap right there. Could be a target. Could be a target. We'll see. We'll see. I'm not taking a short or anything. If we put a fib here, let's get the swing low. Swing low is here. Swing high is up there, which means that we are just around equilibrium on gold. So now we are entering discount PD array. This could be a target. Yeah, optimal trade entry target if you want to go long, that is. Because if we look at the 1 hour chart, new month, man, we have good opportunities, because I see if we are the end of the month price, a lot of yes, a lot of fake out has happened. Yes. By the way, interesting price action here from last week. Let's check it out together. All right, look at this. There was actually a swing high, and this was a market structure shift in my opinion. So let's bring it visibility. Can I bring it to front? How do I visibility, visual order, bring to front? Okay, so this here, this hourly candle broke the structure, and as you can see, it delivered price quite higher. And if we look at the 4 hour chart, it also made a nice structure break here, right here. So visual order, it's already on the front. All right. text. 4 hour, and let's put a text here. 1 hour. All right. So it definitely seems like to me, but correct me if I'm wrong, that gold made a structure shift on the 1 hour and on the 4 hour. And right now, the only thing that it could reprice is the hourly imbalance, which is left down here in this gap. Otherwise, nothing else I could see here. So overall I'm looking for some bullishness, especially because of these levels up there. 1983 is still my favorite level for the time being. Lots of liquidity rests up there. I'm looking to get bullish on gold. You can check my video out, which I uploaded yesterday, Sunday, where I outline my weekly outlook for the week on gold and euro and pound. Technically, I'm bullish on all of these pairs for the week, which doesn't mean I'm not taking any shorts. I'm just saying that hopefully we'll get some nice entries on the 5 minute. All right, I'm leaving the 1 minute chart. I analyzed my entries, my trades, everything from last month, and majority of my losers or losses came from overtrading, of course, but those overtrading trades or those trades which I took by overtrading were made on the 1 minute chart. Those were impulse trades. So the 1 minute chart caused me the most trouble last month. So I might going to look to lose that. Oh, look at that. Equal highs here. High is 26.67.6, 67.6, 67.5. Wow. I'm not considering this as a structure right now. I'm still bearish for the silver bullet trade, of course. But if we look at this, let's look at a clean chart. If I look at this on the 5 minute, I don't know, guys. We still have 2 minutes and 40 seconds. 2 minutes 40 seconds. Yeah, could be considered as a structure shift. I don't know, because here the high is 26.67.4, 67.7, and 67.6. So this is a swing high here. But on TradingView, it's equal because it gets the feed from forex.com. So because it's so close, basically equal, I would be careful considering this as a structure shift. You might, if you want to, technically, but I would be careful considering this as a structure shift. And because I'm already in this trade, I'm just leaving it at that. So euro, nothing. Pound, gold is just going down as well. So we're heading down into this fair value gap for now on the hourly chart. Silver bullet time has passed. We're still babysitting the second portion of this trade, but nothing else to do right now. That's all. This is all, guys, for now. I think it's gonna take us out with the second portion, which is completely fine. We already secured a W. Sorry, not a W, just a V. Secured a V. So that's it. All right, let me go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right. So far we still have less than 44 minutes from the kill zone. I do not think that we're gonna have some super great entries. Although on Euro we technically made a structure shift. But I would be careful to go long just now. Let's see. Let me delete this. Oops, sorry. No structure shift on pound though. So let's look at Euro for now on the 5 minute. If it's going to reprice this, no, I'm not taking an entry. Okay, so far no entry, not on gold or on Euro. It's a structure shift, I give it that. So right here at the equilibrium level, that's a market structure shift, and we still have a fair value gap. And we have some very nice buy side right here. So we have some buy side liquidity there. So we have some buy side liquidity. Let's wait for it. We still need 1 minute to close down this candle. I don't think that it's gonna leave a proper fair value gap, but let's just hope. Let's just hope. So yeah, we are left with the fair value gap, but it's not at the optimal trade entry. Let's check the 3 minute chart. We have a swing. Could be alright for the 3 minute. Yeah. Not sure I want to take it, so I'm not taking it, so that's it. And the 5 minute is definitely not at the optimal level for me. Not even pound. So I think that's it. Let's check pound, but there's no structure shift. There's no structure break here on this retest. So if anything, it should go down again. Dollar index could go higher, so no, I am dollar index could reprice all this range to the upside. So I'm not taking a long on Euro. So that's it. I think there's no reason for us to stare at pound for now. We did what we could. Close the partial trade, which was very nice. first partial profit and then break even. So I consider that as a good result. And for now, nothing else to do. So guys, I'll be back in New York session. For now, I don't think I'm going to be taking any more trades. There's no setups, nothing to see here. Guys, thank you so much for being here. The silver bullet was a success. I'm going to journal it to my online journal. And that's it. See you guys hopefully in New York session. And thanks for being here. Drop the likes, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in New York. Cheers, everyone.